Interstate 80 westbound.
What's going on with the truckers? I got subscribers saying that I-80 can't be that bad, and you know what? CHP actually just put a video out like 5 minutes ago showing what it's actually like. You can see this cattle hauler right here. He's stuck. Now people are asking questions like, how the hell did this truck driver get past the enclosure? Well, actually, it's been a blizzard for a few days, and this cattle hauler has been stuck for a few days. Can you imagine being stuck with no food, no water, no truck stop, no nothing? I mean, mother truckers, if you're going to travel during winter times, you might need some stuff in your truck. Definitely water. But check this out, mother truckers. It's crazy.
Interstate 80 westbound. Almost at Donner Summit. Monday, December 27th. Truckee CHP.